guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jeanette and I create natural hair content. If you're looking for natural hair inspo or you just want to know how to do your hair, this is where you come. Today we're going to be doing the claw clip hairstyle. I actually did it before. Ooh. Wow. This is what we're working with. I need to get this wet again so we can really get to work here. Yeah, I washed my hair yesterday, did a clay mask, made sure it was really clean, went in with a leave-in, and now we're gonna style. I feel like whenever I try to do like a wash day and a style in one day, I get overwhelmed and I get super upset. I'm like, you know, I've had enough. No. So I have actually done the style before. I feel like the last time I did this style, it was more like a high puff than like a claw clip because I felt like it sat on top more than out back. Does that make sense? We're gonna try again. I'm gonna literally go dump my head under water just so I can work through my hair a little bit easier and come back. Now that my hair has touched water, we can touch my hair. When my hair is dry like that, I honestly find it just much easier just going under the tap and just spraying the water on as opposed to a spray bottle, because it's just so much faster. So much faster and more thorough, because like when I go into the spray bottle, like the top, yeah, sure, it's wet, it's moist, but then when I get to like the root, I'm struggling, right? So I just feel like for me, this is just a way better alternative. Now, like, the leave-in conditioner is just reactivated. You know, my hair back to being soft, and I will have a much easier time. Everybody's happier. Everybody's happier. Ooh, it's literally winter time, so I'm literally freezing. Yeah, you know I hate doing my hair in the winter time? I hate it. I hate it. Because it's like, it's already so cold. And then, you know, you put your water, you know, you're spraying the spray bottle, it's touching your neck, and you know, you get that breeze. I can't stand being cold. I can't. But I love doing my hair. Just not winter. So we're gonna part ear to ear. I have class at 6 p.m. Right now it's like 1 o'clock. Thankfully, this is one of the quicker styles. So if you're ever in a rush. Ow! Y'all see how sensitive my scalp was? I didn't even do anything. I didn't even do anything. People be like, make sure your hair is detangled before, you know, you go in and do something. And it's like, my hair is detangled it. I detangled it yesterday. You know how many times I detangled it yesterday? So many times. I detangled before I shampooed. I detangled after I shampooed. I detangled after my leave-in in. So many times. Yeah, let me just use my fingers first. Oh. What is that? Clip there. So I feel like that's ear to ear, right? I'm gonna wrap the back up. So my hair is more dense up here, like right in this section right here, this top section. So I'm gonna see if I can just put some more of this back, just so I can get more of that length, because it's longer here too. Give me a sec to readjust. Okay, so now we're just working with this front section. I'm just gonna create, ow, a middle part. Ow, oh my gosh. Is that in the middle of my head? So now we're gonna slick down these two sections of my head to the side. The secret I've learned to slicking my hair down is to always do it in sections. That's the way to go. That's the way to go about it. My hair's already drying up. So I'm gonna take just a small section. I'm just gonna go in a little bit with my leave-in here just to detangle a little bit, just to make it easier when I'm trying to slick this down. Oh. Right, so now I'm gonna take some of my gel. I'm using Xtreme gel. I love this stuff. I know it's not the best for your hair. It's like super drying, makes your hair is hydrated, but I really like it. Just gonna go, ow, brush that out. And then just gonna clip that back, just for now. So all I've done is just worked on slicking down this side. Now I'm gonna move on to slick down this side, and then we're gonna go and section the back. Now my gray hair's peeking out. I made a mistake. Let's do my hair, you know, and then I'm seeing on my hand little clumps, so I think it's gonna flake. My bad. I should have checked if my leave-in and my gel were gonna mix. I just did the mix test on the back of my hand. They don't mix well. If you don't know what the mix test is, you take your leave-in and then you take your gel and then you just put a drop of each on the back of your hand and you mix it. You just see how they're gonna interact. If it's clear, you're good. You're not gonna get any flakes or clumps in your hair. If it's like this, or if it's like worse than this, it's gonna flake. But hey, we're here for the style, so just use any other mixture. Don't use Kinky Curly, Not Today Leave-In, and Xtreme Gel, okay? I'm literally just gonna switch gels mid-hairstyle. So I've already applied my leave-in, taking a scoop of the gel, and then just seeing how they're gonna interact. Let's watch it live. Yay! Oh, wait, let's see. No, yay. This is not good. This is literally not what you want. Maybe Eco Styler? Okay, again. I'm gonna take some Eco Styler. This is not what you want. There's gotta be at least one that works. Bumble and Bumble, anti-humidity gel oil. This one's giving me the best result. Yes! Okay, still clumping a little bit, but not nearly as much. We're going with this one. I don't care. We're going with this one. Back to the tutorial. I already washed my brush out. So. Now we need to section a portion of the back out. Let me move to my tripod mirror for this. Go back over with some gel and then set it. Now if you have a scarf or something, you're literally just gonna take it. This is my little scarf I got going on, and just go over where you put the gel just to set it in place. Just like that, and now you're done. Just kidding. I'm gonna work on the little puff thing I got going on here. Take out all my clips now that everything's setting. Bring this guy out. Okay, so while that's setting, I'm gonna take this extra large ponytail thing I got, go around my little puff here, and then kind of like, just to kind of like guide it to the back more so it's not looking just like a high puff. Is it giving high puff? Right, that's better. Okay, let me take this out. Can you guys see that? I kind of want to set it in the back side now. Remember how it didn't cover like the entire... I forgot I have this actually like little mesh wrap, I guess you'd call it. So I'm actually gonna go over everything. Period. That's what I'm talking about. Nice, tight, and secure. Secure. And then I'm probably gonna go over, I'm gonna go over it with my blow dryer just to speed up the process a little bit because I gotta go. Okay, here comes the claw clip part. I think this dried down. Ooh, that dried down so well, guys. Actually, I posted a video of me doing like a slick back, like slicking back my hair back in the summer, and somebody commented, "You didn't slick your hair back. That's not how you do it." And I was like, okay. They're trying to tell me I can't do it. I hope you're watching. I hope you're watching. Yeah, this looked actually really well. Now for the fun part, the claw clip. I'm gonna take this ponytail out. I'm not doing that, but I'm gonna take the ponytail out, twist it up, and then place the clip there. Okay, let's go to the mirror. Okay. So now I'm gonna take this, twist. Twist, right? Take my claw clip and just like that. Oh! That looks so good! That looks so good. Guys, that looks so good. That looks so good. Stop. I've done it before, but I've never done it like this. Like, I always just kept like the ponytail in. Naya, please, why are we crying? Guys, that looks so good. Guys, not me doing a claw clip. Okay, this looks so good. I hate how I can't see it when I look. When I'm back, I'm like, it's a claw clip, you know? Let me go to the side to see it better. Is it giving claw clip? I'm a claw clip girl. Okay, let me go do my makeup, come back, and we're gonna play accessories. Ooh. Ooh. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I love this style. This is the best I've ever done it. I've only done it once before. I love this. This looks so cute. Okay, so I do have some fun accessories. 3D moving butterfly clips that I used in the first video I did it. Everybody was asking where I got them from. Guys, I got them from Amazon. They're like 10 bucks. All like the older generation were like, man, I used to have this back in the day, and I was like, LOL. Do you want to do gold or silver? Because I'm wearing like silver earrings with gold jewelry. Let's just try. I just want to show you how it looks. This is how they look. They're super cool. So they kind of like act like they're always just like moving. It's so simple. Open it and slide it in your hair. And it got butterflies in your hair. It's so cute. Just thought it was really fun. The gold's cute too. Now I'm having one of each color. This is still cute. This is the two silver. Let me do 2 gold. I feel like this one matches my jewelry nicely. Oh, I love it. This would be so fun for like summer. Oh, I love it. Okay, and that's the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you like the style as much as I did. This was definitely one of my favorite styles. You know what? Right now it's sitting at #1 for hairstyles, for go-to hairstyles. It's very easy, very simple. I'm not gonna say very quick, but not too long, you know what I'm saying? And it looks so good. This looks so good. This is so cute, guys. I love this. Okay, sorry. Side view. Looks so good. Okay, and that's it for the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Tell me if you like the style. Tell me if you try it. Tell me what style you want me to try next. And I'll see you in the next video.